Hey there. Welcome to the Unlimited Success. Today, we're talking about something super important: emotional intelligence. It's all about understanding and managing feelings. Stick around for 7 minutes, and I'll show you how to get better at it. Explanation: Emotional intelligence. Let's start with the basics. Emotional intelligence means knowing how you feel and dealing with those feelings. It's also about understanding others' feelings and getting along well with them. Ready to learn how to do it? Let's dive in. 4 key components of emotional intelligence. Let's break them down and see how we can work on each one. Number 1. The path to self-awareness. Step 1. Take some time each day to think about your feelings. You can write them down in a journal. Understanding how you feel is the first step to managing your emotions better. Understanding oneself is the crucial initial step toward personal growth. Self-awareness entails gaining insight into one's strengths, weaknesses, thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. It is a transformative journey that empowers individuals to make informed decisions, build meaningful relationships. By embarking on this path, one can cultivate a deeper sense of self-acceptance, empathy, and resilience. Number 2. Controlling yourself. When you feel upset or angry, try some tricks to calm down. Take deep breaths, count to 10, or take a short walk. It's about stopping and thinking before reacting. Avoid temptation. Minimize exposure to situations or stimuli that trigger impulsive behaviors. Plan ahead. Set specific goals and develop strategies to achieve them, reducing the likelihood of succumbing to impulsivity. Practice using self-control. Engage in activities that require self-discipline, gradually strengthening your ability to resist gratification. Meditate. Incorporate mindfulness or meditation practices into your daily routine to enhance self-awareness and impulse management. Writing therapy. Utilize writing therapy, also known as journal therapy, as a therapeutic tool to express and process difficult emotions. Reward yourself. Implement positive reinforcement to acknowledge and celebrate your achievements in practicing self-control. Focus on one goal at a time. Concentrate your efforts on accomplishing one goal at a time to prevent overwhelm and maintain focus. Remind yourself of consequences. Reflect on the potential outcomes of impulsive actions to reinforce the importance of self-control. Number 3. Empathy. Understanding others' emotions. Next, let's explore empathy, the ability to comprehend and share the feelings of others. When someone communicates with you, practice active listening by paying close attention to their words and attempting to imagine their emotion. This practice can deepen your connections and foster stronger relationships. It involves tuning into emotional cues and paying attention to nonverbal communication, such as body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. In the workplace, empathy plays a vital role in fostering understanding and collaboration among colleagues. Effective use of empathy involves giving full attention to others, observing both verbal and nonverbal clues, to fully understand their emotions and experiences. Number 4. Interpersonal skills. Building harmony. Finally, let's discuss the art of getting along with others. Engaging in conversations, collaborating in teams, and tackling problems collectively are essential practices. The more you engage in these interactions, the more skilled you become. It all boils down to consistent practice and refinement. Respect for others. Showing appreciation, gratitude, courtesy, and actively listening. Understanding others. Navigating human connections and practicing empathy. Building alliances and establishing rapport within teams contribute to a harmonious work environment. By cultivating these interpersonal skills, individuals can enhance collaboration, manage conflicts effectively, and promote overall workplace harmony. Daily practice for enhancing emotional skills. In our journey toward emotional mastery, let's explore some straightforward daily practices that can help you enhance your emotional skills. Morning check-in. Start your day by asking yourself how you feel. Set some goals for the day. It helps you stay aware of your feelings. Morning check-ins are essential activities used in various settings, including classrooms and workplaces. They can include activities like sharing how one feels, discussing goals for the day, or participating in mood assessments. Morning check-ins promote a positive atmosphere, build relationships, and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. They may include structured questions or activities tailored to the group's needs, such as discussing daily affirmations or engaging in mindfulness exercises. Take breaks throughout the day. Take short breaks to relax. If you feel upset, take a moment to breathe deeply and calm down. It helps you handle tough situations better. Taking breaks throughout the workday is crucial for enhancing emotional intelligence. Research suggests that brief breaks, such as micro breaks, are effective in promoting emotional regulation and well-being. These breaks allow individuals to disengage from work momentarily, recharge, and refocus, contributing to their ability to manage emotions effectively. Incorporating activities like brief walks, deep breathing exercises, or moments of mindfulness during breaks can significantly contribute. In today's session, we delved into various strategies to enhance our emotional well-being. Remember, improving emotional skills is a gradual process that requires consistent practice. If you found these tips valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and share your insights in the comments section. Together, let's embark on a journey of continuous growth and betterment. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tips on self-improvement. Hit the notification bell, so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the Unlimited Success. Take care.